Welcome back to Moto Market Explorer. Today we're looking at 15 affordable classic motorcycles currently for sale across the United States. Some surprisingly great deals. Number 1. 1987 Harley-Davidson Softail, $3,000, St. Clairsville, Ohio. First up is a 1987 Harley-Davidson Softail finished in blue with 26,000 miles on the clock. The Softail models became iconic for their hidden rear suspension design that gave the look of a rigid frame while still offering improved ride comfort, making them a favorite among classic cruiser enthusiasts. According to the seller, this example runs well and has always been garage-capped. It comes with several extras, including 2 seats, a backrest, saddlebags, and additional front and rear fenders. While it does show some cosmetic wear with minor bumps and bruises, it remains a solid running classic with useful accessories included. Number 2. 1976 Honda CB750, $4,900, Henderson, Tennessee. Next is a fully restored 1976 Honda CB750, one of the most influential motorcycles ever produced. Known as one of the original superbikes, the CB750 helped set the standard with its inline-4 engine, smooth performance, and dependable engineering. This particular bike has undergone a complete restoration, including a powder-coated frame and refreshed chrome components. The seller states that nearly everything has been either replaced or restored, giving the motorcycle a clean and refreshed appearance. It is noted that the bike is not numbers matching, but it still presents as a strong and well-sorted example. Number 3. 1978 Moto Guzzi 850 T3, $2,000, Wilmington, North Carolina. Next up is a 1978 Moto Guzzi 850 T3 with 21,000 miles, finished in red. These Italian machines are known for their distinctive transverse V-twin engines, shaft drive systems, and strong touring capabilities, making them a unique alternative to more common vintage bikes. The seller notes that the bike currently runs and rides, which is a major advantage at this price point. It will need new tires before regular use, but it does come with a few extra parts included in the sale. With a clean title in hand, this could be an affordable entry into classic Moto Guzzi ownership. Number 4. 1978 Yamaha XS750, $2,200, Evansville, Indiana. Next is a 1978 Yamaha XS750 Triple, a classic 3-cylinder motorcycle from the late 1970s. These bikes offered smooth power delivery and were part of Yamaha's push into larger displacement touring and standard motorcycles during that era. This example has approximately 17,000 miles and has received several maintenance updates under current ownership. The seller has replaced the clutch, brake pads, tires, spark plugs, and wires, along with changing all fluids. It is described as a cold-natured bike, but once warmed up, it reportedly runs well and is ready for regular riding.
Cars ride it?
Number 5. 1954 BMW R25/3, $9,500, Tappahannock, Virginia. Next is a 1954 BMW R25/3, a highly collectible single-cylinder motorcycle with documented history. This matching numbers example has been verified by BMW Archives in Germany, confirming its production and delivery details from February 1954. The bike starts on the first kick and is described as running and riding very well, with all systems functioning properly. With approximately 17,600 miles believed to be original, it has also received an Antique Automobile Club of America First Junior Award in 2024. This makes it not only a functional vintage motorcycle, but also a show-ready collector piece. Number 6. 1982 Suzuki GS750E, $3,200, Pittsboro, North Carolina. Next is a 1982 Suzuki GS750E, a classic inline-four standard from the early 1980s known for its smooth power delivery, solid reliability, and well-balanced chassis. The GS lineup played a major role in Suzuki's rise during the late 1970s and early 1980s, offering riders a strong alternative to other Japanese manufacturers in the same class. This particular example stands out due to its extremely original condition, with the seller describing it as being very close to a museum-quality piece. The bike has been garage-kept its entire life, which helps explain the well-preserved cosmetics. While it is currently not running, the seller notes that this is only due to long-term storage, and it was running well when last used. With a clean title and such a high level of originality, this could be an excellent candidate for a light recommission rather than a full restoration. Number 7. 1967 Triumph Bonneville T120R, $7,500, Versailles, Kentucky. Next up is a 1967 Triumph Bonneville T120R, finished in beautiful British racing green. The Bonneville name is one of the most iconic in motorcycle history, and the T120R models from the 1960s are especially desirable thanks to their 650cc parallel twin engines and classic British styling. This example has been thoughtfully maintained and updated over the years. The dual Amol carburetors were replaced around 8 years ago, helping ensure consistent performance. It also features an upgraded front axle and a twin leading shoe front brake setup sourced from a 1968 Bonneville, which improves braking compared to earlier configurations. With its combination of originality, tasteful upgrades, and timeless design, this bike represents a strong example of a classic British twin. Number 8. 1970 Kawasaki G3 TR Bushmaster, $29.95, Annapolis, Maryland. Next is a 1970 Kawasaki G3 TR Bushmaster, a lightweight two-stroke dual-purpose motorcycle built for both street and trail riding. Bikes like the Bushmaster were popular for their simplicity, ease of maintenance, and fun riding character, making them a great option for riders who enjoy vintage off-road capable machines. According to the seller, this motorcycle has undergone a thorough round of maintenance and refurbishment. The carburetor has been rebuilt and cleaned, the wiring system has been checked, and the fuel tank has been cleaned internally. Additional work includes replacing the petcock, spark plug, handle grips, and rear tire tube, as well as upgrading the lighting to LED and refinishing the exhaust. With a clean title and a long list of recent work, this appears to be a well-prepared vintage bike ready for use or collection. Number 9. 1980 Vespa P125X, $4,500, Chicago, Illinois. Next is a 1980 Vespa P125X, presented as an incredibly low-mileage time capsule with just 814 miles. The P125X is part of Vespa's highly successful P-Series, known for its durable steel body, simple two-stroke engine, and classic manual shifting system that defines the vintage scooter experience. This example is finished in a rare blue color with dealer-installed stripes, adding to its visual appeal and collectability. The seller notes that nearly all components remain original, with the exception of the fuel tank, which was replaced by a previous owner. The scooter has recently been serviced, including a new battery, and everything is reported to function properly. Although the original tires will need replacement before regular riding, the overall originality and condition make this a standout collector piece. Number 10. 1975 Honda CB360T, $2,000, Millersport, Ohio. Next is a 1975 Honda CB360T, a lightweight twin-cylinder motorcycle that became popular for its reliability, ease of use, and classic styling. These bikes are often appreciated today as approachable vintage motorcycles that are both practical and enjoyable to ride. This particular example comes with a clean Ohio title and relatively low mileage. The seller has recently completed several important maintenance items, including installing a new battery, rebuilding the carburetors, performing an oil change, and flushing the brake fluid. It is described as running and riding fantastic, suggesting it is ready for immediate use. The inclusion of the original toolkit and owner's manual adds an extra level of authenticity and value for collectors or enthusiasts. Number 11. 1972 Triumph Tiger 650, $3,900, Vineland, New Jersey. Next is a 1972 Triumph Tiger 650, a classic British twin known for its strong torque and simple, rugged design. The Tiger models were built for both street and light off-road use, offering versatility along with the signature character of Triumph's parallel twin engines. This example is described as having low miles and was reportedly running about a year ago before being parked. It does have a known issue with a leaking gearbox seal, which is a fairly common maintenance item on older British bikes. The motorcycle is currently fitted with low handlebars and has been upgraded with electronic ignition, which can improve reliability compared to the original point system. Number 12. 1982 Harley-Davidson Roadster, $2,500, Portola, California. Next up is a 1982 Harley-Davidson Roadster with just 16,500 miles, finished in black. These Roadster models offered a slightly sportier take on the traditional Harley styling, combining classic looks with a more responsive riding feel. According to the seller, this bike comes from the original owner and has relatively low mileage for its age. It is described as being in great condition and appears to have been well cared for over the years. With its clean presentation and solid mechanical reputation, this could be an affordable entry point into vintage Harley-Davidson ownership. Number 13. 1985 BMW K75 Cafe Build, $4,000, Culpeper, Virginia. Next is a 1985 BMW K75 that has been customized into a cafe-style build. The K75 is well known for its smooth inline-3 engine and durable shaft drive system, offering a different riding experience compared to traditional boxer-engine BMW motorcycles. This particular bike runs great, starts easily, and has been tuned by a professional shop. It features a cafe-style seat, chunkier tires, and a more aggressive stance, while still retaining the reliability that BMW is known for. The seller notes that it is not a project bike, meaning it is ready to ride as is, making it appealing for someone looking for a unique yet dependable classic. Number 14. 1969 Triumph 650 TR6, $5,500, Dora, Alabama. Next is a 1969 Triumph 650 TR6, another example of a classic British twin with timeless styling and a strong enthusiast following. These bikes are appreciated for their straightforward mechanical design and engaging riding feel. The seller states that this motorcycle runs great and is fitted with Bonneville-style exhaust pipes, giving it a slightly different look and sound compared to stock TR6 models. With its solid running condition and classic appearance, it offers a good balance between usability and vintage appeal. Number 15. 1971 Honda CL100, $925, Collins, Virginia. Rounding out the list is a 1971 Honda CL100, a small displacement vintage scrambler that is lightweight, simple, and easy to work on. These bikes are popular among beginners and collectors alike due to their approachable size and classic styling. This example runs and drives, but it does need some carburetor tuning to perform at its best. The seller mentions that it starts easily but does not idle properly without throttle and feels slightly sluggish at low speeds. It currently has an aftermarket carburetor installed, but the original carb is included, along with a new battery and chain. Thanks for watching Moto Market Explorer. Tell us your favorite in the comments and subscribe for more classic motorcycle finds.